Hi guys, it's Ed from Warthog Defense. In this video we are going to see a lot of destroyed Russian armor from all kind of weapons, and we are going to see one very funny and tragic thing at the same time, because Russian propagandists are trying again to mock the West because of the cold. It's funny that the Russian propagandists are again mocking the West because of the cold winter, but that is happening in the time when a lot of Russian cities are without heating, when their whole network is completely breaking down, and they are not seeing that, but they are only talking about the West. Funny people. Let's see the update.
3rd Battalion of the 25th Airborne Brigade sends a Russian BMP-3 into the underworld. Major incident at the Shakti polyester plant in Rostov Oblast, where polyester staple fiber is allegedly being produced. The plant was opened in June 2023.
Завод. Или прилетело, или что-то взорвалось. Вон. Ну вон какие-то следы. Что за следы, хер его знает. Это пизда. Ебать, поработали, нахуй. Это пизда, Костян, блядь. Ебать, я самому остался живой, ебать.
UAV strike company Achilles of the 92nd Mechanized Brigade destroyed several pieces of Russian equipment. Among the losses are 4 BMP-2s, 1 BMP-3, 2 T-72B3 tanks and personnel. Local channels report of a blackout in occupied Crimea. Most big cities remain without electricity. Previously, there was an emergency network shutdown. Simferopol, Feodosia, Kerch, Jankoy, and Saki still remain without electricity. The SBU found and destroyed a Russian Tu-S-19 Mista-S self-propelled howitzer on the left bank with an FPV drone. Near Dubrova in the Luhansk region, a Russian tank was struck by an FPV drone and burned out. Work by the 100th Territorial Defense Brigade. Russian propagandist Skabayeva makes fun of the cold temperatures in the United States, while hundreds of thousands of Russians actually freeze.
Итак, 14 человек стали жертвами аномальных морозов в Америке. Издание Independent сообщает, что на севере страны температура опустилась ниже 20 градусов. Для них это уже аномалия, и люди замерзают прямо на улице. Сегодня холодный фронт дойдет до южных штатов. В Орегоне ночью 60 тысяч человек уже остались без электричества. Стихия вызвала транспортный коллапс. Отменили больше 10,5 тысяч авиарейсов. А в Москве в самом начале января, помните, было под минус 30. А в Амияконе прямо сейчас минус 55 и вроде бы ничего.
Meanwhile, the residents of Russian Novosibirsk wanted to organize a demonstration against the collapsing utility sector. The city's authorities did not allow it. Vice Mayor of the city said the protest may pose a threat to human and civil rights, legality, law and order, and public safety, including the foundations of the constitutional order. Novosibirsk has experienced 2 major utility accidents since the beginning of January, which left hundreds of thousands of city residents without heating during severe frosts.
Там тоже перекрытие движения, видимо, по улице проехать нельзя, стоит машина полицейская.
Russian pilots complain en masse about low-quality landing strips. 4 airplanes have rolled off the runways in a month, Russian Telegram channels report. Airplanes in Russia have begun to roll off the runway systematically, and pilots are complaining en masse about the unsatisfactory condition of the airfields at airports. The latest incident occurred earlier this week. A Tu-204 with 17 tons of Russian post parcels and cargo was caught on video wheeling out of the runway in Mirny, Yakutia. According to the Aviatorshchina Telegram channel, the traction coefficient barely met the minimum allowed, 0.3. Mass complaints about the landing strips poured in from Aeroflot pilots. The company has registered an increase in the number of reports from pilots about unsatisfactory airfields conditions, which can lead to rolling out of the airfield and damage to airplanes. A list of problem airports has already been compiled. Pilots should be careful when landing in Khabarovsk, Ufa, Khanty-Mansiysk, and Chelyabinsk. There have been at least 4 more cases of airplanes rolling off the runways over the past month. On January 12th, an Arctic Airlines Yak-42 passenger plane rolled off the runway at Arkhangelsk Airport and temporarily paralyzed its operation. In Norilsk on January 9th, a Boeing 737-800 of Nordstar Airlines rolled out of the landing zone. It was on a flight from Krasnoyarsk with 169 passengers on board. Another incident occurred on December 15th at Osora Airport, Kamchatka. A Yak-40 airplane with 6 people on board rolled out of the runway, the Far Eastern Transport Prosecutor's Office reported.
Thank you guys for watching. We are going to monitoring the situation in Ukraine and Russia. If you liked this video, comment, like, subscribe, become a member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.